Hello students, let's read this question. Figure 24E5 shows a cylindrical tube of radius 5 cm and length 20 cm. It is अब दोबारा गेट कर लोगे खोल लो ना वो कट जाएगा वहां तो और बंद तो कहीं करना था मैं काट लूंगा अपने आप बस फोन तो भेज लेंदे बस थोड़ी सी रहेगी 40 में पा रहा हूँ 40 तक करना है थोड़ी कम रह तो जितने पैसे फूक काम कमाते रहने दे बापू ठीक है नहीं महीने के बाद Hello students, let's read this question. The given figure shows a cylindrical tube of radius 5 cm and length 20 cm. It is closed by a tight fitting cork. The friction coefficient between the cork and the tube is 0.20 and the tube contains an ideal gas at a pressure of 1 atmosphere and temperature of 300 Kelvin and tube is slowly heated and it is found that cork pops when the temperature reaches 600 Kelvin. So let Dn denoted the magnitude of the normal contact force exerted by a small length dl of the cork along the periphery. See, this one is a figure, Dn is this and it will be moving, magnitude of normal is given and dl is the length of cork. So assuming that the temperature of gas is uniform at any instant, so we have to calculate dn by dl. We have to calculate this value. Okay, so let's start. Solution. First thing is frictional forces. Mu into n. Okay. Next, let the cork moves at a distance of dl. This is the distance moving by the cork. This is given. So work done by frictional force. Work done by frictional forces. Which is equal to mu n dl. Okay, this is frictional force and this is the length, that was small length by the cork moving along its periphery. Before the work will not done, simply when the work will not done, then the volume remain constant. That means V1 is equal to V2 before work done. Simply. And our formula is P1 V1 divided by T1, which is equal to P2 V2 divided by T2. So V1 or V2 are same, so they are cancelled out by each other. Right, whole formula V1 and V2 are cancelled out. P1 is 1 atmosphere at temperature 300 Kelvin and we have to find out P2 when temperature is 600 Kelvin. So 1 atmosphere by 300 Kelvin and P2 divided by 600 Kelvin, which implies that P2 is equal to 600 divided by 300. So P2 is equal to 2 atmosphere. So the extra pressure is equal to 1 atmosphere is that much pressure and extra pressure is equal to P2 minus of P1, which is equal to 1 atmosphere. Okay. And work done by cork is Cock is 1 atmosphere into A into dl, which is equal to work done by frictional force mu n dl. So we can say that n is equal to, dl is cancelled out by dl, 1 atmosphere multiply A divided by mu. So 1 atmosphere is equal to 10 power 5 pascals and area is equal to pi into r square, where r is 5 centimeter. Convert into meters, which is equal to 5 into 10 power minus 2 pi r square. So square this term divided by mu. Mu is given 0.20. So n is equal to 10 power 5 into pi into 25 into 10 power minus 4 divided by 2 into 10. Okay. So total circumference of the work is dn by dl, or you can say that total circumference of the work is, how much is work is dn by dl, or you can say that dn by dl, when it was integrate over a side, it is equal to n by may 2 pi r, and we have to calculate this value dn by dl. Let's calculate this. Here is n and divided by 2 pi r. So n is 10 power 5 into pi into 25 into 10 power minus 4 into 10 divided by 2 and 2 pi r. 2 into pi into r is 5 into 10 power minus 2. Pi is cancelled out by pi. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 2 is cancelled out by this 2. And here is 10 power minus 4 and minus 2 पर जाके plus 2, तो 10 power minus 2. 5 minus 2 is equal to 10 power 3 and 25 by 2 into 10 power 3 Newton per meter. Per meter ni, you can say that because we have to calculate the circumference, so this one is we have to use only unit of this, which is given in the question. So here we get 12.5 into 10 power 3, or you can say that 1.25. You can easily say that 1.25. 1.25 into 10 पावर. टोटल सर्कमफेरेंस आप डायरेक्टली आप इसको मीटर में भी कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो, डायरेक्टली आप इसको मीटर में भी लिख सकते हो. नो नीड टू यूज दिस यूनिट, दिस इज अ वेरी हेक्टिक यूनिट. So you directly use here meter because we convert all our systems in a SI system. So here we have to calculate the value of dn by dl. What is the value of dn by dl? It is 1.25 into 10 power 5 meter. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck.